The 510-thread battery category is a crowded space that matters to hobbyists, repair techs, and everyday users who rely on compact, cordless power for small soldering tasks, jewelry work, and electronics repairs. With models ranging from budget pen-style devices to premium feature-rich batteries. Product number 1, Flame Pen Premium Universal Rechargeable Battery Pen. A premium field generic branded pen-style soldering battery with a 650 mAh cell, USB-C charging, and a digital display. It offers adjustable voltage at 2.7V, 3.4V, and 4.2V, a 5-click safety lock, auto shutoff, and overload protection. The cosmetic package emphasizes a luxury black and gold aesthetic and ABS/aluminum construction with a ceramic burner tip. It is 4.1 inches long and targets users who want precise control and a more giftable presentation at a higher price point within the range. Pros include the full digital readout, broad 510 compatibility, and strong safety features. Cons include higher price versus some budget options and potential bulk compared to slimmer pens. Product number 2, Cordless Soldering Iron Pen. BTFO's budget-friendly cordless soldering pen uses a 650 mAh Li Polo cell, claims 3 voltage settings, 2.7 volts, 3.7 volts, and 4.2 volts, and a clear LCD display. It arrives as a compact kit with a single tip and charging cable, designed for quick repairs and lightweight DIY work. It emphasizes portability and affordability, making it an attractive entry option for hobbyists who need occasional cordless soldering without breaking the bank. In use, the display and 3 voltage settings deliver predictable heat within a small footprint. The universal 510 thread interface allows you to swap tips and accessories, broadening its utility beyond electronics to wax or wood projects, which can be both a blessing and a potential distraction if you're seeking a single-use tool. Ergonomically, product number 3, Universal 1100 mAh high-capacity rechargeable battery soldering kit with soldering iron tip. A more capable generic branded kit boasting an 1100 mAh capacity, 510 thread compatibility, and USB-C charging, marketed for jewelry soldering and general DIY electronics. The higher capacity promises longer sessions between charges, which is helpful for longer repair tasks. It ships with tips and emphasizes portability with compact form factor, 4.5 inches. Performance-wise, the 1100 mAh cell translates to extended runtime, though the duty cycle and actual temperature stability depend on the tip used and ambient conditions. The listing emphasizes heavy-duty portability with 510 thread versatility, but it lacks explicit voltage control beyond the general 510 compatibility and mentions 1100 mAh as a primary differentiator. Product number 4, USB rechargeable 650 mAh cordless soldering pen. Doiveo's 650 mAh cordless soldering pen emphasizes a lightweight portable design, 33 grams, with an LED digital display and adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees Celsius. It supports 510 threading, uses a USB rechargeable battery, and is advertised as suitable for home appliance repair and electronics work. The 650 mAh cell is paired with a quick heat element to reduce downtime on the bench. In practice, the Doiveo tool delivers rapid heat up and reliable digital feedback. The combination of metal and plastic housing keeps the weight down while maintaining a solid handheld feel. Product number 5, TerpTech Premium Universal Battery. TerpTech Premium is a higher-end replacement pen battery with a 650 mAh cell and a clear digital display. It features 5-click activation for safety, adjustable voltage, 2.8 volts, 3.2 volts, 3.5 volts via a multi-click interface, USB rechargeability, and universal thread compatibility. The device is designed for mobile repairs and prototypes with a compact 2.8-inch length and a lightweight build. It targets users who want precise, repeatable temperature control and a premium tactile experience. Performance-wise, ChirpTech's 5-click activation and 3-volt step adjustments provide a nuanced control scheme that benefits repeatable tasks and fine tennis work on PCBs and jewelry.